It's officially open season for Samsung foldable leaks because they're coming in fast and heavy. With the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 expected to launch around July, it feels like we're getting fresh tidbits about these devices every other day. And honestly, we're here for it. Now, let's talk about the latest batch of leaks, starting with the Galaxy Z Flip 7. Trusted leaker Max Jambor recently dropped a teaser over on X that's got the tech community buzzing. He posted a mysterious update. B7 display 161.57 by 69.96 millimeters. Sounds cryptic, right? But insiders say B7 is actually the internal codename for the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7. If those numbers are legit, it means the Z Flip 7 is going to be just a bit wider and slightly taller than the Flip 6. For comparison, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 reportedly measures 165.1 by 71.9 by 6.9 millimeters. The Flip 7, on the other hand, is rumored to be around 166.6 by 75.2 by 6.9 millimeters. So while the change isn't massive, it's enough to suggest thinner bezels and possibly a more immersive display experience. According to some back-of-the-napkin math, the Flip 7's aspect ratio could be 22 to 9.53, just a bit wider than the Flip 6 rumored 22 to 9. It's a small tweak, but it might make a noticeable difference when you're watching videos or scrolling through content. And that's not all. We've also got some juicy battery info. Thanks to a new UL Demco certification, certain model numbers popped up, pointing straight to the new clamshell. According to the listing, the combined battery capacity clocks in at 4174 mAh. Based on how Samsung has rounded these numbers in the past, that likely means we're looking at a typical battery rating of 4300 mAh. For context, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 came with a 4000 mAh battery, so this would be a decent bump in power. More battery equals more time for snapping pics, scrolling endlessly, or binging your favorite show without panicking over that red battery icon. And here's another interesting nugget. Tipster Panda Flash Pro claims that mass production is already underway for both the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and the Galaxy Z Fold 7. That lines up nicely with the rumored July launch window. So yeah, these devices are basically right around the corner. So, what are you hoping to see from the Z Flip 7? A sleeker design, longer battery life, some cool new software tricks. Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're most excited about. That's it for now, folks. I'll keep you posted as more leaks roll in. Until next time, stay safe, stay curious, and keep flipping.